Welcome everyone. You can clearly see me holding a bat, and here with me John Haynes, CEO of Namibia Rugby Union, here with a bat in his hand. We've got something interesting coming up today. John, why are you holding a bat in your arms?
Well, it's quite interesting. I'm supposed to have a cricket ball, a rugby ball. So yeah, it is for the first time that we will see Namibia rugby and cricket on the same field. So it should be interesting.
One thing to take note of, all our games being played on United Rugby and Cricket Field, which is the same thing that you're actually talking now about. So yes, something interesting coming up after this game. We're going to have the leading run scorer, Sean Fisher, taking on Danku, which is a multiplayer for Wanderers. He's playing out centre and fly off for Wanderers, and they're going to be up against each other to see who can score a goal and who can hit a six. What do you have to say about that, John?
Well, it will be interesting to see Danke holding a cricket bat, and I believe it's Nico Lofty-Eaton.
Sean Fisher.
So Sean Fisher, so is he the leading run scorer?
At the moment.
Oh my goodness, so that's new for me. It's been out of the game for a while. So it will be interesting to see Danko up against Sean.
Everyone, stay tuned. We're going to do it right after this game and see who can get the upper hand on who, rugby or cricket.